This is Harshita Pal in front of you all, and I am the student of English Mania. Today I got a role play activity of a principal. So let's start. Good morning everyone. I hope that you all are doing well. Today I conduct this meeting because of certain issues which are running out in our school nowadays and which are very important to be known by all. My first issue is homework and checking the diaries with parent signature. This should be taken care that homework must be given to each and every student in each and every class, and it should be checked on the next day regularly with parent signature, because parents have the right to know what is given to their students in their school. So homework must be given as well as checked on the next day. It is your responsibility to give homework daily and check on the next day. The next issue is the hard corporal punishment should be taken care. It should be kept in mind that no hard corporal punishment should be there, because it may harm the student as well as it will be bad for our school's reputation. Because nowadays or now you all know that it has become illegal of giving hard corporal punishment, because it will impact the students mentally as well as physically. Earlier these kind of punishment used to be there because of improving the students' capabilities or abilities, but now it has become so much harmful for their mental health and physical health. So it has banned. So this thing must be taken care by all the teachers that no hard corporal punishment should be there or allowed in our school. My next issue is all the teachers have to come 15 minutes before the school's time, because you are a teacher and it is your responsibility to come before, and you have to be punctual, because I have seen that most of the students are left in the classroom because they don't want to attend the assembly, but assembly has a purpose, so they must attend the assembly, and it is your responsibility to check each and every class that no student will be left in the class. It is your responsibility, so you must be punctual. You all must be punctual. My next issue is check the copies carefully. Yes, I have seen so many issues or so many cases which has come to me earlier of checking the copies. Like some issues have come to me about copy checking. The teachers are not attentive, or they are doing wrong things, like they correct the incorrect thing and they are incorrecting the correct things. So it is your responsibility to check each and every notebook of students carefully. It is your responsibility to be attentive towards the student's notebook and the student's performance. My next issue is weekly tests must be conducted in the class, in this school. In each and every class, weekly tests must be conducted, because test, as you all know, that test is an instrument by which a teacher can get to know the capabilities and ability of a student, and it must be there because you must have the right to know that the students are understanding what you are teaching or not, and the student must know that where they stand, and they can get to know this after giving test. So test must be there in each and every class. My next issue is everybody will be speaking in English. As you all know that our school is English medium, so English environment must be created in our school, and it would be created by the teachers. It is the responsibility of a teacher. When the students see the teachers speaking in English, then they will catch the same. Because don't be a hypocrite. See something and do anything else. So do what you speak about. That you are speaking about speaking in English. You are teaching students that speak in English, but they will not speak in English until you speak in English. So it is your responsibility to create the environment, English environment in our school. Then the student will start speaking English. My next issue is limited use of mobile phone. As you all know, as we all know, that mobile phone has become so much important in everyone's life. But a school is an institution where you must take care of it. That when you have to use your mobile phone or when you must not use the mobile phone. Right? In the school premises or whenever you are taking the classes, you must not use your mobile phone. It must be noted by all the teachers that you must keep your mobile phone in the lockers. You all have provided the lockers and the keys also. So these lockers are for yours. You have to keep your essential items in these lockers. So you must not use the mobile phone and in any of the period. You can use in the lunch time only. So mobile phones are restricted when the school is going on. My next issue is only formal clothes are allowed. You must know that school is a formal institution, so formal dresses would be there. If students are wearing formal clothes or they are similar to each other, so teachers must also wear the formal dresses, and it will create a good impact on the students. Because when we found any student who is not formal, then he or she will get punishment. So the same will be applied to the teachers. If I find any teacher wearing informal dress, then I will take action over it. It would not be neglected by me. So you must be formal. For men's staff, pant and shirt will be allowed, and for female staff, formal saris and salwar suit will be allowed. And unmarried teachers can wear salwar suit only. So this thing must be taken care by all the teachers, that you must look formal. It will groom your personality. And in this school, you are the personalities for the students. So you must apply these issues on yourself and you must be attentive towards these issues. My next issue is discipline. Discipline is the key point or is the base of each and every school. Because all the parents send their children or students send their children to learn discipline. And here we all the teachers are here to make each and every student know about what is discipline. Not only by speaking, but by proving them by doing action. Like first you have to be disciplined. Then the student will catch or will get to know what is discipline is. Because they get to know each and everything by actions more than the words. As you all know that words are not very important when the actions plays a very important role. So discipline must be there. Because so many cases I found when I was roaming some days before in the school, then heavy noise was coming from the school, from some classes. Like teachers were there, but noise was coming, and it is the responsibility or it was the mistake of that teacher who was present in that class at that time. So it is for all the teachers, and if the noise will come again to me, then I will take action over that particular teacher. So this point must be noted, discipline. My next and the last point for today is class teacher will take care of students during or when the school gets off. Like, because I don't want any kind of rush in my school or in our school, because rush can create problem to the student as well as to us, because they harm themselves sometimes and it will be dangerous for them because they are so they don't know that what to do and what not to do. So you, the class teachers, this is the responsibility of each and every class teacher, that you must make the cues, or you must tell them in a disciplined way, or make the cues of each and every class, so that no rush will be there, and normally the school will get off. So that's all the issues which I want to tell you from today, I will keep doing or keep discussing so many issues which are important for our school and school reputation and for you also. So thank you. That's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed it.